Hello students, so today we'll be doing a topic of non-profit organization, which is a very important topic of class 12 and it constitutes of 10 marks. So first thing, a non-profit organization, basically a non-profit organization is an organization which is formed to serve the society. For example, your hospitals, schools, clubs, sports complexes, libraries, public libraries. So the main difference between profit organization and non-profit organization is that profit organization is formed to earn profit, whereas non-profit organizations are formed to serve society. So in final accounts of profit organization, we prepare cash book, trial balance, trading profit and loss, and balance sheet, which you have done in class 11. And in case of NPO, we prepare receipt and payment account. It is a summary of cash book. We prepare income and expenditure. It is just like your trading P&L account. Basically, both of them are prepared on accrual basis. But instead of net profit and net loss, we calculate the surplus or deficit over here. And the balance sheet is same, though the items of the balance sheet may differ. So examples of NPO is hospitals, clubs, schools, sports complexes, libraries, etc. So now coming to the practical portion. It's of 10 marks. 3 mark, 1 mark question. 1 marker question can be of theory or practical, then 3 marker, and then 10 marker. So I'll start with the 3 marker questions. There are 3 to 4 topics which can come in your 3 marker question. Let's start with that. So the first topic is fund based accounting. Now there are different types of funds like annuity fund, prize fund, endowment fund. Many different funds are there. Now basically what happens in NPO, in case if donation is given for any specific purpose, so a fund is open. Now this fund, accounts of this fund is maintained separately. So we show it in the balance sheet, the closing balance sheet. Whatever fund we have, maybe prize fund, tournament fund, match fund, any kind of fund, sports fund. So the fund is there, it's shown in the balance sheet, liability side. Any donation related to that fund is added in it. Any income related to that fund is also added, and the expenses from that fund is subtracted. So we come to know about the net amount. And in case if this fund in the beginning of the year we have not used it, and we know that we have to use this fund after some time, so we need to invest it. You planned it, or NPO plans to invest it. So this fund amount will come in your fund investment, percentage fund investment. Now in case if 10% fund investment is there, prize fund investments or whatever, and this is 1 lakh rupees. So 10% of 1 lakh means 10,000. So this 10,000 should come in the incomes. So in receipt and payment account, we are going to see that on the receipt side whether we have received 10%, that is 10,000 or not. If you have not received that amount, so the amount which we have not received will be your accrued interest on investment, which will appear over here. For example, 1 lakh pe 10% is 10,000. I have received only 6,000. The fund is of 1 lakh. Donation is of 20,000. The income should be of 10,000, but we have received only 6,000. That means 4,000 is still accrued. So 10 plus 20 and 10, 1 lakh. So this is 1 lakh 30,000. And in case if you have 40,000 of expenses, so 90,000 will be your amount of your prize fund. And in case if this amount, if your expenses are more than all these things, that means in case if this amount goes negative, in that case this amount will be shown in your expenditure side. For example, let me see this, take this question. Tournament fund was 6 lakh. Tournament fund investment is 3 lakh. Donations is 80,000. Income we need to calculate. So 10% on 3 lakh is 30,000. That will be added over here. We have not received any interest, so this accrued interest will come over here also. Now expenses is 10 lakh. Let me take the first case. If it is 1 lakh, if it is 1 lakh, so 6 plus 80 plus 30. So this will be 7 lakh 10,000 minus 1 lakh, 6 lakh 10,000 will appear. But in case if the expenses are 10 lakh, so 10 lakh minus 7 lakh 10,000. So this is, the answer is coming negative 2 lakh 90. So this 2 lakh 90 will be shown in your income and expenditure side, expenditure. Income and expenditure account, expenditure side. So all the funds we do the same thing except for the pavilion fund or building fund, because the expenses on this fund is basically expenditure, that is capital work in progress. So in this case, whatever expenditure like building fund is there, donation is added, incomes are added, when we subtract this expenditure, we transfer this amount to the capital fund, that is we add it over there, and this expenditure is also shown on your asset side, building in progress. So you have questions on the book. For example, the building fund is 8 lakh, donation is 12 lakh. Now the expenditure on building, that means we've already made 7 lakh rupees ki building. So 13 lakh will come over here. This 7 lakh will be added to your capital fund also, and this 7 lakh we are going to show it as building work in progress. So this is a very important topic of NPO, that is fund based accounting. Thank you, and next topics I'll be discussing in another video. Thank you.